Gaming session at risk because of the Xloader module DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll show you the engineering grade steps to fix your installation. While preparing the manual steps for Xloader module, check the description for a tool that assists with background library management. This is the Xloader module, a specialized mod loading library frequently associated with localized mods for Minecraft or older Unity-based games. It manages the injection of custom assets into the game's process memory. Because it hooks into the game's executable, it is a primary target for Windows Defender false positive deletions. If missing, modded versions of the game will simply launch as the base, vanilla version. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. Missing Xloader module DLL data often points to a failed patch within the Localized payload/resource loader integration, and reinstalling the latest version of the program where you saw the error will automatically replace the corrupted library. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Xloader module, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If the software remains unresponsive after the reboot, we'll transition to manual environment synchronization. Feel free to pause the video during the sync process. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Safety is paramount. Never attempt to replace Xloader module DLL with binaries found on unverified download portals that lack quality control and often distribute files incompatible with modern Windows security updates. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. Instead of manual troubleshooting, you may review automated diagnostic options referenced below for Xloader module. Thank you for trusting us with your system repair today. For more configuration tips and Xloader module error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.